How to turn off crown press vibration and system touch interactions. Vibration, whether you're touching a toggle or a feature on your watch that causes a vibration. If you don't want that, here's where you can go to disable these vibration settings. From the clock face view mode here, press down on your crown once, and then you'll want to go into the settings right there. So tap on settings, you'll be taken here now, and from within the settings section, go all the way down to the sound and haptics section, this one right there. As you're in this part here now, what you're going to do is go down a little bit, past all this here, and then you'll see crown haptics. Okay, so this is for this one here. When you press it or you're rotating it, you're gonna get that vibration here. And if you don't want that, you'll turn it off. And then if you want to turn off like toggles, touching interactions and stuff like that for your Apple Watch, you don't want no vibrations, this is what you're going to do to turn it off, this one right here. Okay, and of course you can turn them back on if you want to in the future, and that's that, like and stuff.